In this video, we will solve a question on how to find out the growth rate of per capita output using solow model. The question is, assume an aggregate production function with constant marginal product of capital, with capital is only one factor of production such that y is equal to a times k if the rate of population growth is denoted by n, which is equal to 0.03, the rate of depreciation is 0.05 and savings rate is 0.08. With a is equal to 1.5, we need to find out the growth rate of per capita output. Okay, options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. So let's write the given production function. So capital Y is equal to a times capital K. Okay, first thing is we need to change this into intensive form, that is in per capita form. So let us divide both sides by L, and here we also divide by L. That implies y upon L. So let us denote by small y will be equal to a times small k. Okay, this is our intensive form production function. Now next step will be to find out the change in the capital stock. So to find out the change in the capital stock, let us denote it by small k, which will be equal to savings rate times output per worker minus population growth rate plus depreciation growth rate times capital per capita or capital per worker. So change in the capital stock per capita is given by this very equation in solow model. Okay, so can we derive it? Del k is equal to s times what is y? Y is a times k minus n plus d times small k, or del k will be equal to, let's take k common, we are left with s times a minus n plus d, which implies transpose this k here, so that means del k upon k will be equal to s times a minus n plus d. Okay, so what is del k upon k? It shows us a per capita output, that is capital per worker. So growth rate of per capita output will be equal to, so let us give the values. What are our values? If I write it here, so savings rate is being given as 0.08, so we have 0.08 times a is being given 1.5, so we have 1.5 minus n is the population, which is being given us as 0.03, that is population growth rate, plus d, depreciation is 0.05. So we will get here 0.08. Okay, so we have 8 upon 100 times 15 upon 10 minus 0.08, or 0.08 can be written as 8 upon 100. Okay, so here we get 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, namda kaba 120 divided by 1000 minus 8 upon 100. Let us multiply both sides by 10, so it becomes 80. Here it becomes 1000. So 120 minus 80 is 40 divided by 1000. So 0 gets, I am out of the network here, so this 0 gets cancelled, so we are left with 0.04, that is 4% will be the growth rate of per capita output in this question. I hope I make myself clear.